Hi everyone. Need to print iPhone text messages for records or backup? iPhone doesn't let you do this directly, but there's a simple way. We will need this free tool, Cinchio's Mobile Manager. Step 1. Launch Cinchios on your PC and connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Step 2. Navigate to Information. Let it load your data. Then tap Messages. Step 3. Select the chats you want to print out. You can preview before printing. Then click the print icon in the upper right corner. Finally, you can simply click the print button to print out your SMS messages from iPhone easily. Besides, you can export messages as HTML file. When you open this file with a browser, you can view it in read mode exactly as it is on your iPhone. That's it. No need to take a screenshot. You can get a professional print with a few clicks. If you also want to print iPhone SMS easily on PC, try Cinchios Mobile Manager for free.